How to fix TikTok message. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem on your TikTok. Many people and a lot of people uh, have this problem on TikTok. So I have the solution today. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your device. Then go directly to apps. And here, as you see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search for TikTok. When you found TikTok, just open it like this and then go directly now to storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, then click OK here and go to clear cache, also click on it and go back, click on force stop and click OK here also. And now you have to update your TikTok and then you have to restart your phone. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another